Hello and welcome to the Machinery and Piping tutorial. As you have seen in the Workbench Tier 1, you can craft the Engineer's Workbench Tier 1. The next step that you'll need to do is scroll all the way down and craft the wrench. The wrench allows you to manage your pipes. This is the most crucial tool for any machinery, really. Now that you have the Engineer Workbench Tier 1, you will see the 6 major things that you will need. Do not scroll further, that's more of the advanced stuff that you just can't get yet, because you'll be able to craft iron rods, energy pipes, iron plates, to craft a basic coal burner, and a press. We will not be crafting a crusher yet, as we still need a press. As you can see, this is the basic coal burner, and this is the press. What you will do is you'll place an energy pipe in between. As you can see, the energy is being transferred from the center to here and to there. So you will take the wrench and you will click once here, so energy is going from here through into the pipe and into the press. You click again and it will destroy. Do not panic. Just click the side that is facing the machine as seen here, and it will reappear. Now hold on. What if you have something like this and you want to remove the centerpiece? That's okay. Click it with the wrench. If you want to add it back, click the side between the two, as seen there. Now that there will be energy moving from the basic coal burner to the press, but how do you fuel it? Well, you put coal in, of course. But hold on, this burns up pretty quickly and there are only 10 coal slots. This is where you get into more automation. You will place an item pipe on top, then you will place a wooden chest on top of the item chest. Now you will click here, so items are moving from the wooden chest into the basic coal burner. Now you can just put coal in here, and 100 coal is going to eventually reach the coal burner, extending its life a lot. Now we have the press. This is how you operate the press. As you can see, it has 10,000 energy units. And if you look at the index book under recipes, you will see that the basic coal burner generates 2,000 energy per second. But that's more of the technical stuff, don't worry about it. What you will do is you'll place your ingots, for this case it'll be iron. Place it into here. It'll turn 3 iron ingots into an iron rod. Don't panic, this is fine. You will then take the iron rods, put the iron rods back into the press, and it will turn the 2 rods into a sheet. And this will work for any bar in the game. As seen, there's copper, there's steel, iron. And that is how you make more cheaper iron rods and iron plates. As you can make an iron rod with only 3 iron ingots, an iron plate with only 6 iron ingots, as 2 rods equal a plate, and 3 plus 3 is 6. That is the basic machinery tutorial. Moving on to the advanced machinery. Welcome back to the advanced machinery tutorial. Here you will be learning how to operate the crusher efficiently, and how power works exactly, and how item pipes work exactly on a more advanced level. If you look in the Engineer's Workbench, you'll see the crusher. It crushes stone into cool things. But what does it crush the stone into exactly? Well, if you look at the index book here, go to Recipe Index, scroll all the way down, you will see the crusher right here. The crusher will crush stone into these things, it'll crush black stone into these things, and it'll crush frozen stone into even more things. But for now, we're just going to be focusing on stone, because they're all the same stone. It's going to be fine with what I have. Now, you'll put the energy pipe in between these 3 machines. As you can see, you can link multiple machines to the same network. If I click here, there's going to be energy moving into this pipe and distributing equally into these machines. But what if I want to expand it even more? You know, like place another press, speed up the whole process. Place another energy pipe on top. It'll move energy from here despite there not being arrows. And all 3 of these machines are going to be powered by this coal burner because it's distributing through the energy system. Then you can put an item pipe because item pipes and energy pipes don't automatically connect. then place a chest on top, you know, the whole system of automatic coal. Now, this is where it gets a bit more complicated. Place an item pipe in front and on top of the crusher. Then place an iron chest, or better. It must be an iron chest, as an wooden chest only has 5 slots. But if you look in the index book, go to recipe index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Hold on, there's going to be some backlog, and some of the items aren't going to get extracted from the crusher. And for instance, the blackstone has even more recipes, and frozen stone even more. For that reason, it is best that you have an iron chest, as it'll have 12 slots. Now what you're going to do is you're going to extract from the top pipe. The top pipe will extract items into the chest. Then the bottom pipe, you'll remove this. Now that we have removed that, or you can make it insert if you want to recycle some of this excess stone back into the crusher, but that's up to you. For this example, we're not. You will place the item pipes in between these smelters. As you can see, it is going to extract the items from the chest and into the smelters, while any backlog will be safely stored and not clog up the system. Now that this is done, you can just place some item pipes on top, like so. Put them across. And now we don't want to link these two systems together, so you'll click the middle of each of these 4 pipes. Now these are 2 separate pipe networks. Remove this. Then make it so it extracts from each furnace. And into an iron chest, or better. For the crusher, you will need at minimum 2 iron chests, which you can find in the tier 1 workbench at the very bottom. As for the better chest, the industrial chest, it is found right below the crusher in the engineer workbench tier 1 if you want to fancy things up. Now you will have the items automatically processed inside the crusher. And if you want to fuel the smelters in a system like this, place 4 of them right here. Place a chest right like so. Not right there. Like so. And you can put coal in here and it'll automatically extract it into these. Or you can place a chest like so and then remove from here. And it'll still work. But hold on, what if I want to expand the smelters? Like, I keep getting backlog even though I don't want to. Remove the ones on top of the smelter. And here you will find out something. If you were to mine this pipe and then place it back in the same spot, the server will recognize that you didn't have these 2 connected before. That is so if you make a mistake and you mine it and you have to replace it, it won't mess up everything. For this, you will be placing it so these will extract like so. Remove this. Remove this. And now we will place the smelters like so. But hold on. Now I can't extract from them, because now there's like things like this. I can't extract from the bottom ones except if I go under, but I don't want to. What if I want to do it later where I want to expand on the 3rd level? Then I can't extract from those. Well, here's a little tip whenever you have more than 2 levels. As you can see, there's items inserting into these smelters. Now, a little trick of mine is to connect this system. Remove this. And then place a wooden chest here. Then you can put coal into here, and you are injecting coal into the system so the smelters are completely fueled. It's a very nice tactic whenever you keep stacking and such. Now you can just relax and extract from behind and put them into the chest. Remove this. and now they're extracting from behind into the chest. And you can do so on the other side too. As seen there. Now they're extracting. You gotta make sure the arrows are pointing away from it to extract. I almost made that mistake. Like so. Manually configure them. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. Just click to get it back. And now, you've automatically processed stone into various goods, put them in a chest, and you don't have to manually smelt anything. All of this is completely automated, and that is the Advanced Machinery tutorial. Before we leave off the video, I would like to explain to you, what will you do once you have all these things? What's the end game? What's the goal? If you check the Engineer Workbench Tier 1, past these three, you will see the next steps, which is to eventually reach a diamond pickaxe, a diamond axe, after getting an industrial pickaxe and an industrial axe. Now, you can craft basic power banks, which allow you to store 150,000 units of energy, industrial chests. You cannot craft the electric smelter and electric alloy first. The next step you'll have to do is craft a crystal laser using focus lasers and a lot of steel, like too much steel. This will it's a very difficult machine, as you will need multiple basic coal burners in order to power it. As you can see, I'm setting up a system right now, don't worry about it. You will need at least 2 coal burners to fuel it once, and then wait a while, and you will need at least 6 basic coal burners. Or 4 to 6. I'm not sure how much the game will change by the time of this video. 4 to 6 basic coal burners to fuel a crystal laser to where it will not run out of power at all. Very expensive, and you will be able to craft, as if you see in the electric alloy furnace, you'll be able to craft pure diamonds, which allows you to craft electric alloy furnaces and electric smelters. This is the game changer. Once you have electric smelters, you don't need coal anymore, except in the basic coal burners. You'll be able to use coal more efficiently to fuel basic energy, and then the energy is then used to fuel the electric smelter, the electric alloy furnace, and allows you to make more compacted machinery. That's the end game. Then you craft the industrial stuff, then the diamond stuff, and then it's all sandbox from here. That is the end. Thank you, and I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, or if you have anything that you would like to have a tutorial on, please either join the Discord if you're 13+. If you're under 13, please just ask around the servers in the mines. If you are over 13, you can join the Discord and ask there. Or, you can do an even better thing, and ask in my comments. I will respond to any questions that you ask in the comments below. Thank you.